Me and Emmy and JJ are at a hotel, right? And somebody pulled the fire alarm. It's so loud.
Let me see.
We should sit here going. They're not far. Hey, we're just sitting here, man.
Well, guys, we should go down to the lobby and panic.
We should go down there and start yelling, fire!
No, because the elevator. We'd have to take the stairs. The elevator doesn't work when the fire alarm goes off. What? You want to take the stairs? Yeah, let's go take the
You
stairs.
know they have so many cameras out there? It's like,
They really think you did it.
Come on.
I wouldn't even go out. I'll stay here.
no one's outside.
Really?
Go outside.
Really?
It's raining.
Really? Where?
They're under that overhang.
Oh, there is. I see some.
Should we get out?
We should. We should.
I don't see smoke. I don't see fire. I'm good.
You want to go with me?
Yeah, I'll go with you. Yeah.
Bye.
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 We're gonna go have fun. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.
I'm still recording, Emmy. Okay, come on.
I don't care. You guys can die.
How are you gonna die if you smell it? The
Yeah.
sprinklers would be going off. Wow,
Yeah.
the phone doesn't even work. That one doesn't work.
JJ's like, maybe I'll go.
Oh.
I'm good.
Beep. Beep.
Hey, if you go out there and you smell smoke, can you call me?
No.
Okay. There you go.
Where's the stairs?
I don't know. I'm just over here like, I'm so used to the loud noises, and you're just like, oh no! I'm scared!
Jesus. Pizza? What was that?
There's pizza.
You can tell someone pulled it if they're not freaking out.
Yeah. But let's just like go and like have fun. Let's just go in let's just go in the lobby and just be like, just so you know, we did not pull this alarm.
I can't take too much of this. I'm smoking.
Alyssa?
This shit irritating. Told you, someone was smoking.
Well, I was told not to open doors for strangers.
Wow, that's rude.
Well, I mean, it's true, isn't it?
We're told that.
Well, it's true.
Well, if it's a person trying to get in the hotel, poor.
I'm still recording at me. Oh my god, that pizza's still there.
They gonna go get y'all another key.
So what is he doing? You want help running in and out with him? No, I did it. I opened the door. I guess it's
Dog key.
the fire department know everything about that. The fire department.
Can you open our door?
Thank you. Yeah, I put it around. There's no smoke. So you think someone forced me in there? Yeah, I don't think I
god. I'm still recording. They won't open the door. Is it over?
Open the door.
Are you serious? Open the door. Oh my god. They really think if we go outside and they're not there,
I'm gonna punch them in the face.
they want us to think that they're outside, but they're really not. They're trying to trick us.
Hey, yo, let's call JJ. JJ.
That pizza is still there. That bugs me. I swear, if they're not out here, I'm still recording, Emmy. But it's just a big fiasco right now. The fire.
Stay here. Keep the door open.
Okay. Wait, Emmy. Yeah? A rock's cropping the door open. The rock's cropping the door open.
A bunch of kids. The lady was like this. She's recording.
Yeah, I'm recording.
Send video?
Yeah. I can upload it to YouTube. I got it. Oh my god.
Wow, you're gonna ruin my
Oh, that's bad. That's bad if the cops had to show up and figure out that it was all false. This is terrible. Because even the police department showed up and then they find out it's false and they're just like, oh, well, that was nice.
You're standing there for 5 minutes now.
Yeah, literally. I'm going to keep recording until it reaches 15 minutes and then go. Woo!
What?
I left them in the room and I came outside.
The keys? Did you leave the keys in the room?
Save the birdies in the room. Listen, I keep outside.
Oh no, save the bird.
Is it too loud?
I told her BB died.
Oh. It's not that cold out here, actually. Not again. What? I found the fire. The fire's right here. But I mean, it is. I mean,
No one needs to stay outside. If you want to let them know, everything should be okay now.
I cropped the door over here by the stairs. Yeah, we need a key.
Don't.
Okay. I got a key, and Mom said don't leave the room.
I hold the key. Okay, fine. I'm still recording this. Okay. We allowed to take the elevator?
I'm kind of curious. Where are you going?
We can't look in there. Yeah, there's the front there. Let's go. Where are you going that way?
I don't think we can take the elevator, can we?
Do you want me to ask?
You guys took the elevator?
Yeah.
It worked.
It did?